Good morning, everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital Livestream. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Monday, October 27 at 9:09 a.m. Mountain Time, which is around 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Nasdaq is up 1.5%. Very strong move this morning. Dow Jones up 0.5. S&P is up 0.8. Volume's higher on both exchanges at this moment, much more on Nasdaq. So that's good. The big news today is yeah, market jump on possible U.S.-China, deals that could happen, and including the rare of export restrictions could be lifted, and hence those stocks, rare of stocks actually plummet. So that's the main news today. We're seeing Broadcom, Nvidia, Palantir, even Tesla are jumping. Let's take a quick look. So Nvidia. Here we go. We've been coming down and now we're bouncing back up, so that is very good. Broadcom here bouncing as well, very close to this is the earlier entry line, and then there's the actual handle right there, so it's still not there yet. It is pulling back though intraday. Right now it's bouncing a little bit, so we'll see. Okay, let's look at Palantir. Palantir also looking pretty good. Like this looks like a breakout right here. Very strong move right there. Going to Tesla. So we found support right here, and then Friday we kind of pulled back a little bit, and then today, so far we've been bouncing pretty strong, up 3.4%. Um, there's still this kind of level here where we're trying to get through, so that's a very important level. So we have lots of big earnings coming up, like Microsoft, all the big mega caps that haven't reported will be reporting this week, so that will be a big move. Amazon as well. So some of these names are moving here. Um, so yeah, all the rare of stocks are dropping pretty big right now. So here are the ones that will be reporting this week, and there's more here as well. All the stocks here. So yeah, those are the main news. Not much today. And then we have Fed Reserve kicking off on Tuesday meeting and Wednesday announcement, right? So that will be also pretty big news there, which is expected to cut. So I don't know if there's going to be any surprise there. Stocks on the move. We are seeing many stocks on the move, and volume is pretty high today on the growth stock side, so that's good. Let's go look at the index. This QQQ huge gap up today. We come out of it on Friday right there, and then today we have another big move. We'll, again, anytime after a big move, it gets a little bit extended from the 10-day moving average. So usually it will pull back as the green line here will start to come up. But this right now looks like a very strong slope that is trying to build on. So, because you can see the slope here is pretty strong. Um, yeah, 5-minute chart looks pretty good. Hasn't tested the lows of the day. Keep making higher lows here. So far, so good. SPY, very similar action here intraday. Also very similar on the daily chart as well. Dow. The Dow also make new high. This one also came out on Friday. And Yeah, it looks really good. Let's go look at intraday chart here. This one's coming back down a little bit. Might be testing the lows here of the day. Okay, here's Russell. So Russell has been open strong, but this has already tested the low and it's continued to slide. So this one looks a lot weaker. So the small caps are a little bit weaker. Um, it's still near the highs. It's just yeah, it's just at the bottom range today. We'll see if we find a support level today in that area. All right, let's go to stocks on the move. Lumentum, very strong stock today. Look at this move today, this morning, and it has already come back down. It's still up 7%. This is a very strong slope right now. If it finds support here, it can go a lot higher. Yeah, and so that's Lumentum. Next one on the list is Rambus. Rambus came out right here. So this one came out on last week, Thursday, Friday, and today we followed through to new high. Very strong movement. Here we have AMD. This one is still going. So this one, you can see the bottom channel line here. Then we found support at the 10-day and then we bounced off. And look like today we're falling through. Looks pretty good. TSM. This one bouncing slightly. Um, it opened strong and then it came back down very fast. But right now we're coming back up. So that looks like it has found support there. So that looks good around the 10-day. We have MU here. Let's see what other tech stocks there are. MU, this one is still going. Here's the bounce right here of the 10-day and then followed through last Friday. And then today make new high again. Very strong stock. STX is in this area, in this group. This one a little bit weaker. It's still okay, but it's already pulled back this morning. It has no bounce so far yet, so that's a little bit concerning there. Yeah, so that's that one. Look at Reddit. Reddit also pulling back from the bounce here. Let's see intraday chart. It opened strong, come back down. Right now it's slowly going back up, but yeah, we'll see if it finds support there. But yeah, it got rejected at this red line, so I would rather wait till it goes through that red line. Uh, Shopify, this one looks really good. Comes out last week, and then I mean today it's pulled back from the top, but still up 0.7%. Looks pretty good. Let's see if other tech stocks. I didn't go through here. We have Google. Google is very strong. This came out also on Friday, and today it's falling through 2%. That's pretty good. TIMB, this is a Brazilian provider, so a lot of Brazilian stocks jumped today because of the. Oh no, that's Argentina. Argentina stock jumped a lot today. But this one, Brazilian telecom provider, moving pretty strongly. So that looks pretty good. Yeah, so those are the stocks this today. Um, let's keep going here. FTAI, CLS here. Okay, let's take a look at those two. This is aerospace defense. Oh, this one's running right now, breaking to new high. That looks pretty good. CLS, this one also coming back up and pretty strong chart right now. Mm, ATVI, CLS, go here. This one also bouncing really strong. Look at that move. Look at the slope here of the 10-day. So many of these stocks are running at pretty fast pace right now. BRT, well, this one also been bouncing. Here's the slope right here of the 10-day moving average. So it's pretty strong slope, right? 45-degree angle. Okay, so that's some of the industrial area. Um, there's some biotech here, KNSA. Look at that. Well, this one kind of coming out today. Looks pretty good. It's still holding on to the morning gains. ENSG also looking. This one looks pretty nice, very nice and stable. And then we have some financials here. Citigroup, Futu. Is this Citigroup coming back up on the right side of the base? Looks okay. And we have Futu here, also bouncing on the right side of the base. Yeah, so a lot of these stocks are set up pretty nicely, mostly on the right side of the base, right? So that looks pretty good. On the retail side, we already talked about Tesla. Glow here. And this one also making new high right now. Reverse from the top, but still up for the day. This morning, Dash tried to come out. It has reversed a little bit though, so that is a problem. But if it finds support and bounce back, that will be good again. So yeah, so the overall market is generally healthy. Um, and if you haven't watched my weekend videos, please do. Thank you all. I hope the market can hold. Generally, Monday morning gap ups are always a little bit tricky because if you try to buy at this level, it could give back by the end of the day, especially if it gap up, pretty strong. And because usually they do come back and close the gap, so that's something we have to watch out for the next couple of days, um, and see what it does. Because right now it's definitely extended. Okay, thank you all for watching. Have a good day.